Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to remove Gird mode to camera on iPhone and iPad. So friends, without wasting time, let's start the video. Firstly, open camera on iPhone and you can see camera is Gird mode, and here is no any more option to remove this. As well as you can see here is no more settings to remove the Gird mode on camera. Now go back the home screen and open the settings on iPhone. Scroll down now. Now hit the camera icon. As well as you can see appears on screen, Gird toggle is on here. You just turn off this toggle here. As per turn off the mirror front photo. And go back home screen and open camera once again. Now you can see Gird mode is removed successfully. I hope this video helpful. If the video helpful for you, don't forget like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video.